Hello, I'm Richard Hunter and welcome to our look ahead for the week commencing the 13th of May. It's pretty obvious that the central theme to the markets next week is going to continue to be the fallout from the current trade spat between the US and China, whether that be a positive thing or a negative thing. Markets have been fairly rattled over the last week or so following the President's latest comments. That being said, of course, markets in terms of the UK and the US have had a pretty good year to date. The FTSE 100, for example, is up 7.8%. And in terms of the main three US indexes, the Dow Jones Industrial Average is up 10.7%, the S&P 500 14.5%, and the Nasdaq is up 19.2%. So, despite those rattles, markets are still having a fairly good time. In terms of next week, what we can look forward to, quite a few corporate numbers coming through. We've got updates from the likes of Land Securities in British Land in the property sector, also Compass and Kingfisher, and a couple of interesting ones in terms of full year numbers. Number one being Vodafone. There's been a lot of M&A speculation and activity of late, so any update on that front will be welcome. The dividend will continue to be a focus. It's currently yielding a whopping 9.6%. Investors will be hoping that the dividend is maintained. And we're also going to get full year numbers from Burberry. One of the reasons this could be interesting is that Burberry often points towards its reliance on the Asian consumer. And of course, with the China-US spat being ongoing now for some 6 months or so, may have had an impact on their figures. Thank you for watching and have a great week.